So concerning the Mat162, so we have to start with some questions. So I have some questions here, whereby the first question here says, which of the following, can you see that? Which of the following expression is semi-interquartile range? Please take note. The answer is upper quartile minus lower quartile divided by 2. That's the main formula for semi-interquartile range. SIQR, semi-interquartile range, is always equals to Q3 minus Q1 over 2. Take note of that. So that is option, trivially as guys, that's option B. So for the second question, if the mean of this thing is 2, where K is constant, obtain the median of the set. So I was given, so let me write it out. Given minus 1, 0, 9, 3, K, and then 5. So they said the mean is 2. So do you know how to find mean? Mean here is equals to sum all these things. Minus 1 plus 0 plus 9 plus 3 plus K plus 5. Add all these things together and divide it by number of items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have just 6 of them equals to 2. So are you with me? So the next thing is to drop 1 and then you cross multiply. Minus 1 plus 9, add all these things together. Minus 1 plus 9 plus 3 plus 5. I have 16. So 16 plus the K. Now, if all these things multiply 1, this is what I will have. Now, all 6 times 2, that's 12. So K is equals to 12 minus 16, and that's minus 4. So if K is minus 4, come back to this. So I will have minus 1, 0, 9, 3. K is minus 4, and the last one is 5. But in the question, we are not interested in K. They say we should obtain the median. And median says whenever you have set of values, you need to arrange this thing either in ascending or descending. So let me arrange this in ascending order. The least here is minus 4, followed by minus 1, then followed by 0, followed by 3, 5, and 9. So where is the median? From here to here, okay, and then from here to here. If I cancel this, so this is what I have left. So the median becomes the average value for these two sets. So that's 0 plus 3 divided by 2, and that's 3 over 2, and that should be what? 1.5. So I'm very sure it's 3 over 2 that you see in the option. So you check the options. Option A, 1, 3 over 2. So the correct answer is D. So A is 6, B is impossible, so the answer is D. So D is absolutely correct. Now, considering this question here, number 3, we are asked to find the standard deviation. The mean score in a class is 43, okay, noted. And the standard deviation is this. Calculate and correct to decimal place the standardized value of a score. So this thing has a formula. The standardized value, that's Z. The formula is always equals to X minus mean over standard deviation. Take note, this is mean, this is standard deviation. And the X now is given to us as what? Of a score. X is the score, that's 60. So the score is 60. That means this X here is 60. What is mean? Mean is given in the question. Mean is 43, standard deviation is 4.5. Mean is 43, standard deviation is what? 4.5. So therefore Z is equals to 60 minus 43, that's 17, divided by 4.5. So the final answer is 3.77. That is 3.78 approximately. So what's correct? Let's check the option. 3.78 is there. That's D. So D is absolutely correct. So then next question is, I think I skip. Okay, I skipped this question. This is what I just answered. So let's come back to number 3. The age in years of 5 boys. These are the 5 boys. Correct to 1 decimal. The standard deviation of this. How do you find standard deviation of 5? This is number 4. Okay. Number 3, they say we should find the standard deviation of 5 6, 6, 8, and 10. How do you find standard deviation for this thing? If you have this calculator, that's the best thing you could use. Okay, you don't have to stress yourself on this. Press. Now I have to put these values on this calculator and then find the standard deviation. So it's very easy to do. So all I will just have to do from here is press this mode button. Mode. Okay, can you see that? And then see start number 3. So you don't have any business with this. Just try to press AC, cut it away. And you notice that start is showing here. So that means statistics mode is activated on this calculator. So you see another statistics mode on this number 1. See the button here. So press shift and 1. Sorry, shift. Why is it not clear? Shift and 1. Do you see that? So you select data to put in all this data. This is data. So select 2 and then put in the values. I have 5, 6, 5, 6, 6. Sorry, that's too much. What's happening? So I have 5 is correct. 5, 6, 6, 8. Last one is 10. Okay, so I'm done. I only have 5 set of values. So you can press AC. How do you find standard deviation? Come back to this shift and 1 again. This is very whatever you're looking for will be on this VAR button. That's 4. So this is mean. If you want to find the mean of this thing, this is mean. Press 2. If you want to find standard deviation, this is it. If you want to find sample standard deviation, that is when you divide by n minus 1. But if it is just normal population standard deviation, just divide by n. So whatever I'm looking for here is just population standard deviation, and that is that is number 3. As you can see the symbol for standard deviation. Do you see that? That's 3. So just press equal to. So the final answer is 1.78, 1.7789. So let's check the options. 1.78. We got 1.789, but approximately to 1 decimal place, that's 1.8. So the correct answer is what? 1.8 years. So I've answered it from here to here. So this is the next question. Given this table, find the mean mark. Given this table, find the mean mark. So to find the mean of this thing, as you can see, all I will just need is class mark first. Find the midpoint of all these class interval. That is 0 plus 9 divided by 2. 10 plus 9 divided by 2. So you have to be very fast with that. So 0 plus 9 divided by 2, that should give us 4.5. This one will give us 15 point. Is it? Let's try it. 0 plus 9. Sorry, 0 plus, yes, plus 9 divided by 2. That's 4.5. Next one. I have 10 plus 19, right? Divided by 2. That's 14.5. So I've seen the pattern. I have 4, I have 14, I'll have 24.5, 34.5. So how many values, how many tables, how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can try to confirm this last one is 40 plus 49 divided by 2. Not divided by these 2, please. Not divided by the 6. I mean 40, add this and you divide it by 2. So if I do that for this one, I want to confirm 40 plus 49 divided by 2. So I have 44.5. So you see that is correct. And this frequency remain the way it is. 1027. I have 1962. So how will you solve this without even holding any pen? So when you have this, you can decide to continue. Just use the same way I've actually explained. Now listen to this. It's already on statistics mode, but I need to put in these values. The difference is that I have this is my x values, but I need frequency. I need to put in frequency on this calculator. So these are the frequency. So to see frequency table, you have to switch it on. You have to make sure that the frequency mode is active. And how will you do that? You need setup. Press shift and this mode button. You see you actually see an arrow down here. You see an arrow up here. a down arrow. Can you see that? So press this down button. Then you see start. Press 4. Switch it on. Number 1. So go back to that shift and 1 where you have data. So have you seen that you now have 2 tables, 2 columns? So I can put in my values. So the first x value I have was 4.5. Remember. Second one is what? 14.5. Then 15.5. Sorry, this is meant to be 24.5, 34.5, then 44.5. I think that's all. Then come down here. For the frequency, I have 1027, and I have 19, 6, then finally I have 2. So as you can see, I'm done with that. I don't know why it's not really clear what's happening. So this is what I have. To continue, what do I want to find? I want to find mean. Press shift and 1. Sorry, you can press your EC, take it away. Press shift and 1. Then come to this number 4 VAR button. So calculate the mean, that's number 2. Final answer is 18.72. So using the option 18.72, is it there? Yes, absolutely correct. That's C. So I'll only solve 5 questions for you for now. So thank you very much.